Haematinics. Ferrous sulfate. Introduction. Iron sulfate or ferrous sulfate denotes a range of salt with the formula FeSO4 7H2. This compound exists most commonly as a heptahydrate but are known for several values of X. The hydrated form is used medically to treat iron deficiency and also for industrial applications. These are the nutrient substances required for the formulation of blood cells and used in the treatment of anemia. Formula FeSO4 molar mass 278.02, melting point 70 degrees Celsius, density 2.84 gram per centimeter cube, boiling point 330 degrees Celsius, soluble in water. People also search for folate, copper sulfate. Preparation. It is prepared by treating slight excess of iron filling with dilute sulfuric acid. FeSO4 plus dilute H2SO4 gives FeSO4 and H2. Properties. It occurs as a crystal as well as a dry form. Ferrous sulfate crystals occur as a bluish green crystals or crystalline powder. It consists of 7 molecules of water of hydration. It is odorless and has a metallic astringent taste. It is freely soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Chemical properties. It forms a soluble double salt with ammonium sulfate. So we will get FeSO4. Then it is a reducing agent. It decolorizes acidified potassium permanganate. It reduces mercury chloride to mercurious chloride. When exposed to moist air, it gets oxidized to ferric sulfate, and when heated, it gets decomposed to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfuric acid. IP standards not less than 98% and not more than 104% of ferrous sulfate. Assay method 1 by redox titration, stereometry, dissolve an accurate weighted amount of substance in water and sulfuric acid and titrate against 0.1 molar ferric ammonium sulfate using ferrium sulfate as an indicator. Endpoint is disappear of red color. So ferric sulfate plus ferrous ion gives ferric sulfate. Method 1 redox titration, stereometry. Dissolve an accurately weighted amount of substance in sulfuric acid and titrate against 0.1 molars potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate acts as a self-indicator and the endpoint is the appearance of permanent pale pink color. Uses. It is used as a hematinic in the treatment of iron deficiency anemia. Ferrous gluconate. Introduction. Iron gluconate or ferrous gluconate is a black compound often used as an iron supplement. It is the iron salt of gluconic acid. It is marketed under a brand name such as Fergon, Ferlate and Simran. Formula H12, C12, H24, FeO14, molar mass 448.156 gram per mole, Chem Spider ID 1995333, appearance light yellow to brown powder, PubChem ID 9291, IUPAC name. Then people also search for iron sulfate, folate, then iron fumarate. Preparation. Gluconic acid react with ferrous carbonate gives ferrous gluconate. Further it is crystallized with 2 molecules of water of hydration. Properties. It occurs as a yellowish gray or pale green greenish yellow granules or powder. It has a slightly odor of burnt sugar, slightly soluble in cold water and more soluble in hot water. It is a aqueous solution is acidic in nature. It's affected by light. IPA limit not less than 95 and not more than 102%. Assay redox titration. So, dissolve an accurately weighted amount of substance in dilute sulfuric acid, add sodium bicarbonate to produce CO2, which prevent oxidation of ferrous to ferric state. Add furan as indicator and titrate with zero point 0.1 molar seric ammonium nitrate. The end point is disappearance of red color. Uses it is used as a hematinic in the prevention and treatment of iron deficiency anemia. Thank you.